90. Yep. Hold that tip out there, hold it out wide. Gotta get him up. Gotta get him up. Yeah! Boom! Woo! Woo! Big dogs in the house today, baby! Slab Wahoo on the deck. Damn! Woo! All right, we're out here with Chris Headhunter Thomas, and we just slayed a nice wahoo out here off of Boca Inlet. And just to show you what we're fishing a sea witch with a skirt underneath with a bonito strip. This happens to be a shiny silver one, but the one we caught him on was just the dark striped part of the bonito. So, you know, these fish underwater, they can see way better than humans, obviously, and they see everything moving. So as you can see, looking at this leader, if you can see it there, that leader's all nicked up. That's why we use 80-pound test or 60-pound test. No wire. It's amazing how many fish you catch with no wire, and they hit that second hook, and we just hooked them. We got them in the boat, right, Chris?
Wahoo in the boat off Boca.
Nice. Using the old school 80 wide broomstick rod. Easy to see the bites. Boom, fish in the boat.